Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes, please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now guys, we're gonna run a boat. We're gonna do a quick home cook meal, alright? So here I have a piece of yellow yam. I have some water over there. I'm gonna tip just a little bit of oil in it, olive oil. And we have put a little pinch of salt in the water over there. It's just a little pot I'm cooking. Alright, see my piece of yam here? Let me put my seasoning one side over there, so I hope it's good. Oh, it don't look too bad. The part ain't good, guys. You have to cut out the part, eh? Cut it like this one. It seems like, see how far? It seems like, guys, when they were digging it, the knife, the machete touched that part there. You just cut it off. So what I always do, make sure I always wash my yams. Watch your hand and don't put your hand in your face, it will scratch you. Alright, so just wash them off nicely. After you wash them off, I'm just gonna put them here to boil. So this is how we cook run a boat. You know, you put the plantain right there, so you want to cook too. Alright my peeps, I'm not gonna make much dumpling, but I have about 3/4 cup of flour and about 1/2 cup of cornmeal. I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumpling. Put a pinch of salt. You wanna give that a little mix and use hot water or warm as you can take it. Alright, it's a quick boat. I'm hungry, guys, and I need some good food. If you have green banana, you can put few finger. Put whatever you want, breadfruit, whatever. Guys, I just remember I have a little piece of breadfruit in the fridge. So we're just gonna peel it and put it in there too. We're not waste nothing, guys. Yeah, forget about this little piece here. It should have gone in there long time, but anyhow, we will cook. What you can do, if you find out say plantain a cook, guys, go ahead and take out the plantain and put it one side until when the breadfruit cook. You know where I go. Alright guys, what you want to do, just go ahead and put the breadfruit in some water. You go rinse them off. You go set it in. I don't think it can hold more than 1/4. A little piece. Now I'm just gonna knead the dumpling and set on top. If you have a bigger pot, go ahead and peel this. Maybe we can make some juice with this. I think my plantain are cooked because you know so many plan to cook the breadfruit, right? So I'm gonna take out them and put them one side. We're gonna make the dumplings. You see how my flour soft? You don't want it too hard, a cornmeal dumpling. Pop out your fast tea, guys. So just take up a little bit. If you like them big, make them big. If you like them small, make them small. You knead it. Squeeze it in the middle and place it there. I can get about, say, 5 dumplings from this. So I'm gonna get 5 and a roll up, right? And a little roll up right there. So. Alright, so let this cook. I have a nice piece of salmon, as you can see it, really nice. I washed it already with some vinegar, and what you want to do, I scale the back. This one has the skin, and you just want to dry it a little bit with some paper towel. We're gonna put some olive oil over here. About 2 tablespoons, and I have onions and bell peppers. Just a quick Fast cooking. Okay, guys? Let's season up this bad boy. I'm gonna cut it after, guys, after I put the seasoning. This is my fish seasoning. I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm just seasoning one side because it has the back on it, the skin. A little bit of garlic powder, just a little bit. A little bit of onion powder. And a little bit of black pepper. All right, my peeps. Now I'm just gonna cut it. I have some garlic. I'm gonna burn it in the oil in the meantime. I'm gonna fry it this way first and then I'm gonna flip it over. Just gonna move the garlic one side. So give it about 3 to 4 minutes on this side and then I'm gonna flip it over, okay? All right, we're gonna take a look at the pot. You see that, guys? So we are talking about some yam, breadfruit and dumpling. Flip them over, whatever, to make the cook all like cook right through, okay? See, my breadfruit them almost cook. You see, guys? Soon cook. Quick and fast pot this, quick and fast. Run a boat. You're gonna take your time and flip them over, okay? Okay. If some fry before some, just go ahead and remove them one day. The one that were brown up and nice. Don't break. Don't break on me now. Alright. My scallion. Cut up my onion really big. And at the same time, I'm going to put my can of mushroom. I rinse it off. I drain off the water. I have some frozen bell peppers. I'm going to dump that in. I'm going to go in with some garlic paste, a bit of ginger paste, just a little bit. A teaspoon, about a tablespoon of my blended seasoning. I will leave a link for that. I'm going to put 1 Maggi cube, veggie cube. Alright, guys, I'm not going to let it be overcooked. Now I'm going to go in with some coconut milk, 1/3 to 1/2 cup. Jamaican people say rundown, alright? You can make this into rundown too, guys, okay? Look at the goodness, look at the flavor. I'm gonna go in with about 2 teaspoons of curry or a tablespoon. And this is what you call run a boat, alright? You start cook something until it turn out to amazing goodness. Guys, my pepper done, but me have a little piece and put a little few pieces in there, well hot enough. Alright. I'm just gonna put a little bit more green onion, scallion. A little bit of salt. A little bit more black pepper. And a tad more fish seasoning. You can use veggie broth, but I have this chicken one, and I'm gonna put some in, about say a cup or 1/2 cup. It's up to you. Just put to your liking, just to make it gravy. You see this, guys? I wonder if you have seen I pat ya. All right, my peeps. Look at the goodness. Woo. Now guys, I have about a teaspoon or maybe half teaspoon of flour, and I put about a teaspoon or tablespoon of water. All right, I don't want it too thick, but I don't want it too watery. I'm gonna place that there. I'm gonna give it a little mix. Gonna add a little thickness to it. Gonna get a little bit thick, but not too thick. Okay, I'm just gonna set the fish in it. See that? This one there play bad and it break. We'll set it in the same way. So this here salmon run down in a coconut milk and mushroom. Alright guys, I tell you, you want in my kitchen here now. This recipe is new guys, I haven't tried it this way. We just have to say we are run a boat and we have put some stuff together. So you just want to base it, put some mushroom on top, everything on top. Off. Look at that guys, pot well cook. So when I talk about pot cook, you just want to shake it like that guys, make sure it's not sticking to the bottom. And this is it. This is my salmon in some coconut rundown with mushroom. Lots of vegetable. When you cook the food like this and it go come with some pot soup, just throw off some in one cup. That's why you don't have to put too much salt when you cook. Go ahead and drink some. Belch the gas. Good for your body. Who know about that? My mama's way. My grandmama way. Alright? Pot soup. Good for you. Belch the gas. I have a plate here guys and we're going to share some of the food. Alright, we're going to go over here where I take one dumpling. Put it right there so. Let me just move some out there when we can get a piece of breadfruit. Put a peg of breadfruit right there so. Woo! Yum, come out nice man. My son gonna come and eat. He's stuck in iPad. Okay, take it up. And that's what I'm serving up. Alright guys, food look proper, eh? Hi Sunny, I wake you up? Oh sorry. You said you want a piece of fish? Okay guys, I'll put it over here so. Woo! Eating proper. Oh my. You want to take up some of my gravy now guys? Yeah, you have to take up some. Put over here so. Oh my goodness. This video should get millions of views. Wow. Woo! And this is what I'm serving up guys. Some of the gravy. We have more left over there so for whole heap of family. Anybody who want it come for piece. Almost me forget the plantain. Put the piece right here so. Yeah, see over there so guys, I may forget it totally. Alright guys, and this is it. Yeah, this is my ground produce Jamaican cooked food. Yeah, with some rundown, some salmon rundown or cook up salmon in coconut milk rundown. Yeah, with some mushroom and vegetable. Alright guys, and this is it. Boy, I'm gonna eat it when it's hot, you know guys. So me I go left on the right, you know. This is it. This is the goodness. Love upon me and I love upon you. Show you up close and personal. Oh gosh. You see all the gravy he run down with the breadfruit, then I want the yam guys and the dumpling. Oh, hallelujah. Pray about it. God, thank you for this food. Forgive us. Bless those who don't have and those who have. Forgive us and save us in your kingdom. In your name I pray. Amen. Amen. Bye guys.